1623. This is an Aqua Class Cabin, basically a balcony. So let me come in here real quick and turn off that volume for everybody. All right, so as you come in, right where Lisa is the bathroom. We're going to look at that last, though. You have your closet in here, which is decent and ample. You can hang clothes on 2 layers. You can move those down if you want. Turning around, we do have our sofa right here, which can convert to be a bed. There's also drawers underneath and a movable coffee table. Over here is sort of a little writing area, if you will, or a little desk. This is where the only power in the cabin is. You have 2 US, 1 European. There is no USB. You do have a decent-sized TV. It's not too big, not too small. It's okay. Mini fridge is down there. Your safe is right here, and you have some drawers right there. Over here is your bed. It's now we're just going to call this a cruise ship king. All right, not exactly residential, but as you see, it is in its king configuration. If you separate them, they would be 2 twins, and the nightstands would go in the middle, and you do have some additional cabinetry and storage above. Decent sized balcony. And let's take a look at the views. Great views. You can't see all the way to the back, but you can see, you can't see forward, but you can see back pretty good. Let's get a look at that bathroom. Oh yeah, great sized bathroom, everybody. That toilet is in an awesome place for someone my height at 6'4", so that is definitely good for the tall and fluffy. You have a nice corner shower with glass enclosure, all your amenities in there. Vessel sink, nice storage, some cubbies, there's power up there, nice big mirror. So yeah, really, I love the bathrooms. So let us know what you think, all right? We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!